Hi students, how are you? Hope you all doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Students, today we are going to start with chapter 3, more on Windows XP, and this is your first session. Under this, we are going to discuss about what is a file, file extension, how to create, rename and delete a file, what is a folder. First topic, what is a file? Listen students, right side, can you see that small pictures over there? Red color picture, blue color W is written on there. Yes, so these are called as a file. Clear? So file or collection of informations. Each file has a name. Yes, in Word if we type it is a Word file. In Paint if we draw it is a Paint file. Yes, same way. Game file. There are different types of files are there. Right? In this W is written on a file icon. Can you see? That is Word, Microsoft Word. Red color round symbol. Can you see? It is a PowerPoint presentation file. Yes. Clear students? So what is a file? Files are collections of information. Next is file extension. So what is a file extension? Listen students, every file, for example, we can save a file in any name. Example, in my name, in your name or any file name we can save our file. So each file has a extension. For example, if a file is ended with .doc, then it is a Microsoft Word file. Yes, .jpg. So it is a picture file. Yes, .txt. It is a text file. XLS or XLSX, Excel spreadsheet file. HTML or HTML file, it is a HTML web file. PPT, it is a PowerPoint file. We have seen the red color round symbol, isn't it? That means it's a PowerPoint file. MDB or ACCDB, it is a database file. So there are different types of file are there. So in future, we can know what it is. For now, you are better have clear understanding about file extension. Each file has the file extension. Each file has the file name. Files are collections of information. So these must be very clear. So file is a collection of information. Every file has a file name. Yes, every file has a file extension also. Right? So be thorough with this file extension because it will be asked in fill-ups and also in match the following. So this is very important. Next is how to create, rename and delete a file. So how to create a file? Listen students, click start. Click all programs. In that you select accessories, notepad. Suppose if you have installed any games, if you want to open a game file, click start, click all programs, open your game file. Same way, WordPad, Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. Whatever it is, we go through the start button. Right? Next, how to save a file? Open a file. Yes. For example, now we have opened a notepad file. Yes. In that you type the information what you wish. Then next click file, click save. Or shortcut key you can use for a keyboard, Control plus S. Next, it will blue color will be highlighted. In that you type your file name. Yes. Then click save. Now you have created a file of your wish. Clear? Yes, this is how we create a file. Next is renaming and deleting. Renaming and deleting is same as or it's very similar. Listen, first of all you select a file which you want to rename or select your file which you want to delete. Okay. First you are going to select rename. So first you select a file which you want to rename it. Yes. Next right click on that file icon. Yes. Then choose rename. Can you see that which I have highlighted at the right side? Right. Next. So after you're selecting rename, the file name previous which you have typed will be highlighted in blue color. Next, you start typing your rename. Yes. Now that file will be changed to your new name. Clear? This is how we rename a file. Next is deleting. Same way, locate your file. Yes, then right click and choose delete. Can you see which I have highlighted your delete button? Yes, then select delete. Yes, then your dialog box will appear. That is whether you are going to confirm your delete or not. Yes, then choose yes over there. Now the file will be moved to your recycle bin. Recycle bin is nothing but the deleted file will be stored in that recycle bin. Clear students? The deleted file will be stored in a recycle bin. Suppose if you want to permanently delete that file, next open your recycle bin and delete that file also. Now the file will be permanently deleted from the system. Clear? Next comes what is the folder. Listen, we will be creating many files. So how to keep these files organized? So for that only we create a folder. Clear? We create many files. So how to keep this file? There will be thousands and thousands of files. We do not know what file it is. For 6th standard, for example, it is 10 files. 7th standard, it is 20 files. 8th standard, it goes on. Many files are there for different category. Yes? Right? So how to keep these files organized? So we can put all the 6th files under 6th folder. We can create all 7th files and we can put it in 7th folder. So do you understand what is the meaning of folder? Right? See example, see in the right side, the yellow color icon. Can you see yellow color small pictures? These are the folder symbol. At down you know it is a file symbol. Clear for you? So for what we create folder? We create many files. To organize these files we create a folder. Next comes the 1 mark. Please kindly go through the 1 mark. You can find the answer in the same video itself. Hey students, I hope you can find the answer for it. Next is the match the following. The same thing, you can find the answer in this video itself. Yes, you can find different file extension and can find the corresponding file name. Yes. Yes, next finally 2 mark question. What is the file? List out some common file extensions. How to create a file, how to delete a file, what is the folder. Yes. Study thoroughly. Yes. Write the question answers. Yes, and post back in your corresponding group. Hey students, it's time to say bye bye. Take care.